Today's video topic is, how much deep, light, and REM sleep do you need? Getting enough sleep is crucial for our physical and mental health. However, it's not just the amount of sleep that matters, but also the different stages of sleep. There are three main stages of sleep: deep sleep, light sleep, and REM sleep, rapid eye movement. Each stage plays a different role in helping our bodies rest, recover, and perform at their best. But how much of each stage do we need? Deep sleep. Deep sleep is the most restorative stage of sleep. During this stage, our bodies repair tissues, build bone and muscle, and strengthen the immune system. It's also when the brain consolidates memories and learning. Deep sleep usually occurs in the first half of the night and decreases as the night goes on. Adults need about 1.5 to 2 hours of deep sleep per night, which is about 20 to 25% of their total sleep time. Light sleep. Light sleep, also known as non-REM sleep, is a less deep stage of sleep. During this stage, our muscles relax and our heart rate and breathing slow down. Light sleep accounts for most of our sleep time, and it's important for helping us feel rested and alert the next day. Adults need about 50 to 60% of their total sleep time to be in light sleep. REM sleep. REM sleep is the stage of sleep where we dream. During this stage, our brains are highly active, and our muscles are paralyzed to prevent us from acting out our dreams. REM sleep is essential for regulating mood and emotion, and for learning and memory consolidation. It typically occurs in the later stages of the night and accounts for about 20 to 25% of our total sleep time. How to get enough of each stage. Getting enough of each stage of sleep is important for our overall health and well-being. Here are some tips for maximizing your deep, light, and REM sleep. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Create a relaxing sleep environment. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet, and limit exposure to electronic devices before bed. Practice good sleep hygiene. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed, and limit your intake of fluids to prevent middle-of-the-night bathroom trips. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can help you fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly. Manage stress. Stress and anxiety can interfere with sleep, so find ways to relax and unwind before bed, such as taking a warm bath or practicing relaxation techniques. In conclusion, getting enough sleep is crucial for our physical and mental health, but it's not just the amount of sleep we get. Understanding the different stages of sleep and how much of each stage we need can help us optimize our sleep and wake up feeling rested and refreshed. By following these tips and prioritizing good sleep hygiene, we can ensure we're getting the right amount of deep, light, and REM sleep.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.